how to sign in Telegram without phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can sign into Telegram without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to sign into the Telegram account without a phone number, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Telegram app, and then whenever you tap the start messaging option over here, you can see the very first thing it asks me to enter is simply my phone number, which means that if I don't enter my phone number, I will not be able to prove the ownership of my account, and if I cannot prove the ownership of my account, I will not be able to let Telegram know that this account belongs to me. So which means that you cannot sign into Telegram account without a phone number. So hope this video helped to clear the confusion. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.